little boy.
I don't. All right, guys. So we're doing a thing. We getting the car.
Not that one.
Not that one. So excited. Are you so excited?
Yeah, I'm nervous.
You're nervous? Why are you nervous?
Because now I have a car payment.
Oh yeah, car payments suck.
We're getting a 2020. That's the only thing positive about 2020.
Yeah. New car. New car. She's excited. She's a baller.
Stupid.
There's stuff in here. You better hold on to this with your dear life.
I have chips in my purse.
She got cash money. So this is the initial one she wanted.
Not beige.
Okay, not beige. But still. Let's go look at the one you're getting, babe.
Okay. Well, it's red.
Well, we'll just show you the model. Here is a Hyundai one. So she's gonna get this one, but it's not red. Let's see what you look like. Get in it.
You want to get this one?
Okay.
Oh, this is interesting.
The little like checkered. That's weird.
Oh, she's really acting like she's leaving.
Give them the garbage is what I'm shopping. I like this. It's kind of cool.
Let's see.
Oh baby.
So all you do is have to do that. And the only way it's gonna pop on the passenger side. So it's kind of it's like a wheel trying to get into the car.
So cute.
Okay, cool.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, spare. And it's actually better too, because a lot of the cars they come with the air compressor.
We're going on a test ride.
Oh, sure.
Babe.
No. Oh, hell yeah.
You have a fucking sunroof.
Oh, that way?
Yeah.
We'll play.
Oh no. So you can ask Siri to play
Yeah.
it?
Well,
Ooh.
I asked Google.
Or Google. So we're taking for a test drive.
Yeah.
Babe, you ready to look cute? Oh my god, look at our vlogs, like so much better already. Comes with a freaking sunroof. I want it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm so freaking excited. All right, let's look at all the gadgets. Let's go get breakfast. Make it feel like it's really us. All right, let's take a look. Yes, I have seat warmer. I literally asked.
really like this sunroof.
I'm so excited for the sunroof. Okay.
I like it. It's cute.
It is cute. It's good. It's a good first big purchase. USB aux. Yeah, look it. There's a battery charger, baby. Battery charger, aux, USB, whatever this is.
Another one, so we could both charge.
Oh, we could both charge. Oh no, I can't.
My lovely cruise. You know.
Yeah, your favorite cruise. Yes. 2 cup holders, of course. Lots of space down here.
The windows are tinted too.
This is a perfect road trip kind of car. So I asked Destiny for one to two things I said in her new car, because I'm usually obviously always the passenger. So we always have different temperatures. We went on long trips, short trips, all the trips. I asked for either the like split, what is it, like air and air
controls.
Yeah, the different controls. So I said that or a seat warmer, and I said it would be nice to have both, or if not, like it would be nice to have both of them, but if I can't have both of them, one or the other would be amazing. So they don't have the changing vents, but that's okay, I can always close them. But I have seat warmers, so when I'm cold I can get so warm.
Oh yeah.
I'm excited. Babe, how do you feel?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to try the sunroof?
We can.
Do the button, babe. Wait.
What?
You got this. You can open it a little from the back.
Oh, sorry.
Push it back. Have you never had a sunroof in your life?
No.
Okay. You have to push it.
Yeah.
Woo! Sunroof riding.
That is insane.
Hmm.
That's 9 miles. I just did that.
You did 9 miles?
Huh?
You just drove the 9 miles?
No, like it was at 0.
Oh. Don't blow them out, babe.
I'll try.
It's touchscreen. Are you excited?
Are you?
Yeah. You look cute in it, babe. You look so cute.
Like a soccer mom?
No, like a cute, well, on the t-shirt a little bit.
Wait, this is too
I want one. How do you feel, babe?
good. I want it.
You want it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Are you gonna get it?
Yeah.
All right. I wish we took an Uber here. I can go home with you.
Thankfully, we live together. My signature.
Oh yeah. You just bought a car, babe.
I know.
How do you feel?
Still nervous.
She did it. She gave all the money.
No help.
You did it by yourself, babe. Good job. All right. Where's your car? Listen, meet you outside. Here's her car, guys. There it goes.
I guess that's where we're supposed to go.
I don't know where he's going. Your brand new car. Guys, she got a new car. All right, so we're waiting for valet. Car shopping.
3 hours later.
3 hours. I'm starving. Probably need to sleep. I probably need a brand new coffee.
Or drink.
Oh yeah, that kind of makes me tired, but.
How about we go home, order some food. Oh, we can go to Margentiera.
That's what I said.
Oh, I thought you meant very close.
Oh no, I meant
Okay,
Monterey.
well we can. Why don't we call and order?
Okay.
Because it could be done by the time we get there.
Yes.
We can go home.
I love
and
that.
Drink a Paloma.
Okay. Oh, you want to eat the?
Celebrate.
You want to eat at home? Yeah, me too. Okay. Babe, show me what you got. Oh my God! Go stand next to your car. Where is it? Show us. Let's take a picture with it. No, just her. Go, babe. Oh, go ahead.
Oh yeah.
Let me hook up your Bluetooth, please. So
Okay.
and then you guys are good to go, okay?
Yay! Oh wait, were you taking a picture? Because I was taking a video. Bye. She's so cute, putting on her seatbelt. Oh shoot. She's so cool. Baby, you live. Oh yeah. So cute.